talking about building blocks of airflow. So this lesson I will explain fundamental of airflow including DAG, DAG runs and task instance. So DAG runs, task instance. So this is DAG and that consists of the tasks, right? Consists of the operator, task consists operator, sensor, hookup, etc. DAG run can run have multiples. DAG run execute task instance and task instance can have multiple. So these are the relationship is going here and here also. So relationship between DAG and DAGs, you see direct DAG cyclic means it flow only one side. Operator, I'm going to talk, and then I'm going to talk about task, then task instance, DAG run and execution date and relationship. So DAG, direct acyclic graph workflow are defined using DAG or short for direct acyclic graph that are compose the task to be executed and their associate dependency. For instance, task A, B, C can be expressed using DAG. We can say executes B only after A executes, C can be independently executed at any time. So we can also specify other constraints such as time out of task, number of retry, perform failing tasks and stacks. DAG define how to execute tasks, right? So when we define DAGs, it will create DAGs. And then here the example one, the name of DAG. The scheduling interval once, twice, and start day, day ago one. So DAG can be say airflow models DAG DAGs. So the airflow models DAG DAG. Airflow model DAG DAGs. Now talk about operator. There are 4 type of operator. DAG define workflow, operator define work. Operator, these are actually doing the work. And operator is a template or class performing a specific task. When we bash operator, email operator, Python operator, MySQL operator. Okay, operator that perform an action or request another system perform action. Operator that transfer data from one system to another. So operator basically. Now operator, I mean that is the really things they are doing. Task is a initiate the operator throughout the units. Task instance means it's how many day by day instance number of run. DAG when you execute call DAG run. If you have DAG that schedule run every hour, then each instance DAG constitute of DAG run. It could be multiple DAG runs and associate. Execution dates can be starting dates. So let's say T2 is dependent of system T1. So we can write like this, or we can T1 is downstream T2 set downstream. So T2 upstream T1, C1 set downstream to T2, or T1 is greater than T2, or T2 is less than. So this is how we can write. And here we are talk about direct acyclic graph again for you guys. Operator, as I said, 4 type operator. Task. So task represent instance of operator is a DAGs. Task instance, executor. So executor are mechanism which task instance get run. Airflow come with execution running task different environment from the sequentially. In local executor, ciliary executors, there are scheduling, so it's based on time. Web UI hook is an external platform database. They allow Airflow to interact an external system. Connector, Airflow come with connector surely. Plugins, so let's talk about this is Airflow, and I have run in my local. So basically this is the graph, and we are task price, landing time, grant, detail, code. You can also see here the codes, Airflow models, and then we defining DAGs, so it will create a DAGs. And then the run time, so this DAGs, we give DAG ID, default argument, scheduling interval this one, every time, debug time this one, run this last, dummy operator, task ID run last. And so run after loops, DAG equal to DAG, run this ID. So this DAG we are defining here. Run last is also running parallelly. So this is how we create dependency. And here is the way we do initiates code. And this is how the details. Honors, none, started, ended, grants, landing time. And let me run some different product. I run this one, and let me run for pick operator, right? So basically pick operator and task duration not available. I haven't started, and this is run. Let me try to run celery. Only work with celery Kubernetes executor only. So this was not working, but we can see the logs because it's not running, so there is no logs. But you guys can explore these things. Yeah. Oops, there is some error came. Yeah, so you guys can explore. I mean, there is a various format. I'm also exploring with you guys, and there is also document version, documentation, GitHub also there. So yeah, this is the GitHub for Airflow. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my